Alright guys, welcome to my tutorial on how to make your car sound 10 times cooler. Oh. Sorry, I farted.
What?
Oh my car's so fucking high on the ground. I know, that's why I didn't bring a jack out.
Oh, we don't need to cut it off, bro.
What?
So unbolt it?
Yeah, we can just unbolt it.
Oh, fuck. It's just rattling on the I don't know where it's rattling from.
Probably on the part it's bolted to. There's probably a rattle.
Hey, why don't you start it?
I'm not. Don't start it under here, bro.
You got your safety glasses on?
Yeah, dude.
Safety number 1.
Oh yeah, dude. It's not hunk of crap, dude.
I'll tell you what's wrong with it.
You got no gas.
It ain't got no gas on it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Well, if you think you can fucking go for it, since you're already under there.
Yeah, let me get the safety glasses.
Make sure you cut the line that has the gas in it.
The what?
Well, make sure you cut the line that has the fuel going through it.
Yeah, that was the plan. Content.
This video is sponsored by Makita.
What is it sponsored by?
Makita.
Oh shit. I'm gonna keep it a buck, dude. I don't know where the fuck. What angle to do this?
Just cut it.
Should I cut my cats and sell it?
Yeah. That's probably what people think we're doing.
Break.
Nothing?
Nothing. Oh, you got it.
Nice. Alright, there's that.
Jeez.
Makita, allowing hoonigan
Alright,
shit since
let me grab
2013.
Fluid.
Some fluid?
Yeah, so you can get the hangers off.
Yeah. There's no way you actually put the blade through it.
No, definitely not.
Well, don't start it fast.
Fuck it. Start it up.
Start them up.
Oh wow. Let's see this.
Let's see this exhaust start up. Whoa.
Don't rev it.
Blew all kinds of rust out of there.
Sounds pretty good.
It sounds way better, dude.
Got a nice tone to it.
It does.
It does. Turn her off.
Oh, dude, I feel.
Now I have to take the hangers out.
Dude, just give me the Sawzall again. Dude, I can see them. You want to do it? Yeah, I'm gonna cut them.
You're just gonna cut them?
Yeah. Oh, thanks, dude.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Alright, we got one more to do. Thanks, guys. Thanks for helping hold this real quick. Appreciate
I don't
it.
want a blade going through my hand.
Dude, you could so sell
Hey,
that.
you want to open the trunk real quick? We'll just put it in there. You gotta get to the keys.
You gotta use the keys, man. It's not a new Subaru, dude. Come on.
Yeah, you
We're not all as wealthy as you.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, see, that's what shot out of it.
Oh, what's in here?
Nothing?
Spare?
A spare truck?
Ford Giotto? Whose phone am I holding right now?
Mine.
Oh.
Let's see those.
Alright, for our next adventure, we're cutting the headers.
Oh. Sounds like an absolute unit in here.
Can you, dude? I've never heard a cleaner sounding unit. Sorry, my car's a little bit messy.
You're
Oh,
good, dude.
Siri.
I'm just trying to make a viral video.
Shoot. Hey, do you like this? Wait, hold on. You want a high chew? Don't. Here you go.
Here you go. Here you go, guys.
You want a high chew?
You want a hot shoe?
You want one? You want one? I've actually heard you've been, you know, a little decaffeinated lately. How about you want some coffee?
Dude, what else you got in there?
That's it.
That's it? Oh, shit. Alright, that's alright.
Oh shoot! Oh shit! Oh shit! 50!
Oh! Absolute ripper.
Fuck, dude. It actually sounds so much better, I'm not even gonna lie.
Well, when you get your cat back, it's gonna sound even better.
Smells better, too.
Oh,
Oh,
that smells like brand new Chevron.
Smells like a bit of a race car.
Oh, you're
It's got a purple tune on it, I think.
She got boobies. we go straight to that cool spot, right?
Or do you want to off-road it?
Fuck it. We're left or
Dude,
right.
we ain't
Go
off-road.
straight.
It's gonna be muddy in any off-road spot.
Is it? Oh! Hello! Wait for it.
Alright, son.
Slow down.
Slow her down, bud.
These roads get really tight.
Oh, that's rocks on the side of your paint.
What paint, dude? It already looks like ass. Cutting in.
Oh, you hitting that apex, son?
Sitting that
Holy shit. Slow down. Apex.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Slow down. That's enough of that.
Oh my god.
Dude.
We're gonna go speed limit for a little
Yeah,
bit.
we're gonna go to
Tell me your butthole did not pucker. Because Loki mine did.
I felt it wash out and I was like, well, let's start the video.
This is actually a first video with a new car. We totaled it. All right here would be perfect. Oh my gosh, dude. It's like that fucking movie, Fast and Furious, right now.
Alright, pay attention to the road. Fuck. There's a turn.
I like that tone right there. That one. That one right here. This one? The one that I'm holding right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
Don't do that. Don't. It's way louder from the outside.
Such a shit box. He's gonna rip it out on the main road.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Take from him. Over that way.
Sounds like a motorcycle.